Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. So I bought some nail supply from Shein, and I must say this is the very first time I've bought nail supply from Shein. I must say they are super affordable as compared to other Chinese sites. So I'm just gonna share them with you and tell you the prices in case you are interested. So without wasting time, let's just get started. So the first item over here is the 50 pieces nail color display card. That's how they call it. And I basically use this to practice nail designs, and this cost $2.2. So it's super affordable for 50 pieces. This is a steal. So basically it came with this ring, and you can just put the nail pieces onto them after you've painted, of course. And whenever you want to choose a color, you look at the color and choose your favorite. So this is supposed to be in the shape almond, but this looks more of a round tip. So I got another 50 pieces. This one over here is $1.5, but as you can see, it's in the shape coffin. And like, this is super affordable. Next, I also got a nail corrector pen. Basically, when you paint your nails and sometimes the nail polish overflows onto your skin or onto the cuticle area, you need this pen to erase it. So it came in with extra tips, and basically you dip the tip into a nail remover, and this is very precise because it's got that sharp tip, and you can easily clean any excess nail polish on your skin. And guess what? This was 76 cents. So I got this mixing container. This was also 76 cents. I got this in the color purple. This is, when you want to customize a color, you mix it up in this, container, and then you use it. Obviously, after mixing over here, any excess will have to be thrown away because you can't re-put them in the polish container. So it's got a large hole where you can put some drills for the nails, and it's got 6 smaller holes for mixing your nail polish. It also has a place for the brush. The next thing I got was these nail design fabrics. It's got some metallic designs in them. This cost $1.52. And basically you put this on your nail and put some, top coat on it, then cut off the excess. It gives you the designs on them, and it comes in about 4 colors. So it's 4 colors each in the box. So I've got 8 of them. So the next I got is what they call the glitter storage, but this doesn't look like a storage to me. When you're using glitter and you don't want it to go everywhere, you basically use this. So you pour the glitter on your nails over this container over here. Then afterwards, you dab the excess in the container. And when you are done, you just withdraw one of the compartments and pour the glitter back into its original container. So basically this prevents you from messing up and having glitter all over. So this also cost $1.52. So the next thing I got are these cute little nail stamps over here, and each of them cost about $1. And as you can see, it comes in with, some designs that you can pick up with a nail stamp and put on your nails. So this is super cheap, looking at the, how cute this nail stamp is, plus an extra design. So basically you put some nail polish on the design stamp over there, then you pick it up with the stamp, the nail stamp, then you just transfer it onto your nails. Now I also bought some cuticle sticks, and I think it's 100 pieces, super affordable. So these are easy to use, they are disposable, and basically use this to push back your cuticles, and the 100 pieces cost $1.26. So the next one here is 50 pieces double-ended eyeshadow applicator. Now this can be used for eyeshadow, but I bought it to use with my chrome. Whenever I have to make my nails using some chrome powder, I prefer to use this and then throw it away, because you know chrome can be so annoying, it goes everywhere. So these disposable applicators come in very handy, and I've got 50 of them for about $1.20. The next product is this kind of glassy glitter designs I got. So it's about 12 compartments, and it comes in different colors. So basically this is used to design the nail, and I must say it looks plastic, okay? I think it's a plastic material that they cut into smaller pieces, but it looks beautiful when you use it to design your nails. And this was $1.52. So cool for what you get. You can basically get all your favorite colors in there. The next one over here is this design tapes I got. This was $1, and it has about 15 pieces of different colors design tapes for the nail. So this plastic instrument over here is the cutter. Basically you put this in and cut the desired length you want. The next product here is the water decals. This is one of my favorite. It is 18 pieces and it cost $1.52. So basically cut out your favorite design, put it in water for about 20 seconds, then slide the design off the card, then put it on your nail. So yeah, basically these are the nail design supplies I got from Shein, and as you could see, they were super affordable. Let me know what you think. Have you bought nail supplies from Shein? What do you think about them? Are they cheaper or they are more expensive? I think they are way cheaper than other online stores, and I'm definitely going to buy nail supply from Shein again. So this is it, and I hope you did enjoy this video. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.